Hey everyone, it's Gretchen here with Catnpaws. So I went to Joann's. Today is Saturday the 20th, and I figured I'd just show you. Mark went to get his truck washed, and he dropped me off, and he says I'll be a while because, you know, around here when it snows and then all the salt and everything, when a nice day comes, which today was great, every car wash backs up. So he was going a while, so you can see I did a lot of shopping. Let me show you first. The Girl Scout cookie people caught me. The girls caught me coming out of Joann's. $4 a box now, in case you're wondering what Girl Scout cookies cost. So I got 2 boxes of the peanut butter patties and a box of the caramel delights. I don't like those. Mark likes these. I like the peanut butter patties. That's why there's 2 boxes. And then a box of the Thin Mints. And I just told the girl that was, you know, the mom was with her. I said, just drop them in my bag. So, let me get those out of the way. Alright, so Joann's. It's been I have not been there since before Christmas, like quite a bit, mid-month December. Look, they're having a sharpening. And I just walked around the store, took my time. I knew I was going to be there a while. That's what I did. I got some prices with me. Their collections were 40% off. So these are normally, what, $9.99. Oh, you know what? I had that coupon too, that 20% off regular and sale price. I think it ends today. And so I used that. But without the 20%, these were originally $9.99, and I got them for $5.99. So 2 of them. I got another one in here. I was looking for tea dye, but I think mine's so old that they stopped making it. And I thought these were some cute spring colors to have. I wanted to try the wild honey, and I like the sponge sugar. So I went ahead and picked up another one of these. I have one other one, but what I do is take these and Velcro them to the bottom of my inks, and then I just put this, and sometimes I don't even do that. Sometimes I'll just pop them off, and I'll put them in the extra slots. So again, all this was 40% off. The stamping supplies. Looking at my receipt, I'm trying to find it. They were $4 something. Are those a blending? $4.19, originally $6.99. These. And then this, I think it was $6.99. I'm pretty sure. Before the 40% off. And I also got this as well. In the vintage photo, again, I could not find the tea dye. And I'm keeping my old ink pad, though, because I know I can get refill inks. I just got to find them. I think I can buy them online. This here of the vintage photo was originally $6.99. I got it for $4.19. Valentine's Day stuff was 40% off as well. And you can see there it was $7.99. And then it was like $4.79 with the 40% off. And just lots of heart stickers and the candy hearts. All different colors. So I grabbed that because I'm doing some Happy Mail. 'Tis the season for Valentine's. Oh, I forgot about these. 40% off the hitch fastener. So I grabbed one of those. And I know I grabbed more Tim Holtz stuff. Trinket pins. So I did grab those too. This is what surprised me. So I'm over there looking at the beads and trying to get that untangled. And there's a thing up there that said, look for the red clearance, whatever. So I grabbed these and went up to the checkout scanner, the scanner thing. You know, you can go price your own stuff. And they were $1.38. Yes, $1.38. Amazing. For me, because they're already pre-done. So, like a Valentine's Day or anything like that, there's even the little Eiffel Tower on there. Done. Bing, bang, boom. Put it on there. Same thing on there. I got 2 of those. And then 1 of these. And they had other ones, but I'm like, I'm good. I'm good with those. Easter was 30% off. It's a silicone candy mold. What I like to do with these is melt a candle on my warmer and then just make little tarts. And then, because I can. The lady asked me, she goes, what do you do with that? And I said, well, me, I like to melt my candles on it and then make little tarts. $4.99 originally, $3.49 on sale, and then I did get another 20% off, so that's cool. And there's a little chick and a bunny there. That's probably better on that side. Fun stuff, that's what. So what else did I get in here? I went to Ms. Sparkle and Company and checked out her stuff. I found these, the ampersand paper clips, because I'm a paper clip junkie. And what was shocking, they were, I think, maybe not. I thought I saw them. Oh yeah, look, ampersand, 39 cents. Yeah, I didn't know they were that cheap either. I would have grabbed more, but that's the only 2 actually I saw. Now, in this here, again, the Miss Sparkle and Company, some string, and I had this one. I actually had them both, and I put one back. I said, I don't need all that. I tell myself all the time, I don't need it. So just put it back. And I had put it right there with the red. They had a little display of Valentine's Day stuff. They had this in the red. And so I just put the purple. I said, people use purple for Valentine's Day. It was buy 2, get 1 free. So basically, I bought my 2 and got my recipe cards for free. There's 15 in there. Again, they do not mark these sales anywhere. I would have been like all over it if I would have known, but I'm checking out, and I know Mark's coming to pick me up. So I didn't go back, and I have enough stuff. That kind of, blah, blah, blah. Yeah. So that's how that one worked out. This little notepad, purple, 60 sheets. I thought, how cute for springtime. But to me, it just says spring. I like the little gold lining down the side. I think this was this one was $1.99. I'm pretty sure. You know what? I think maybe it was buy 2, get 1 free on all the Miss Sparkle. I just didn't know it. So my last items are from the Christmas line, and they were 75% off. You know how you do the impulse buying when you're checking out? Well, they had a box there of stuff, and so I got these bow paper clips. And I got these treat bags. They're all the same. The wood green, 10 count. I figured they'd be nice. If anything, I can share my little treat bags or stick something in there, etc. And they're really, they don't scream like Christmas to me. So I thought they'll be cute. And that is the end of my Joann's haul. I had a good time. The weather was nice. I ran onto sales I didn't know existed. Overall. I actually got to the ATM because I owed myself some money for my money challenge. So I had cash, and that's always nice. Etc. So there it is. I had a good time, though. I like shopping by myself, especially when I can take my sweet time while I'm shopping. All right, have a great day, and as always, thanks for watching. Bye.